It's September 19th, and this is what I have in the Dyers garden. So I have gone through all the flower beds, and I have left Mono's favorite plant or flower, my cosmos, and my indigo. And there is a little bit of amaranth still here, which is right there. It's not going to amount to anything now, but I thought, you know what, I'll just let it be. And more indigo. So I'm hoping that I can get seeds from this now. That's what I would like to have happen, because I didn't cut any of this back. And this last planter box, see, I've still got quite a bit. I couldn't pull those sunflowers out, the stalks. They're just in there way too deep. So, but you know, all from a seed, you know. They did really well this year, so I'm pleased. And that's it. That's what my Dyers garden looks like now for the rest of 2024.